If you've ever listened to a heartbeat, you might think it's just a simple Lub-Dub. But what if I told you that not all hearts sound the same? We have a 16-year-old girl. When you place a stethoscope over her heart, you hear a rough, rushing sound. This is a sign of turbulent blood flow between the heart's chambers because a small hole that lets blood sneak through where it shouldn't, so she suffers from ventricular septal defect. Now take this. It's the sound of a valve not closing properly, letting blood leak backward instead of moving forward like it should. This is called mitral valve prolapse. And here's a twist. The same 16-year-old girl with mitral regurgitation holds her breath and the murmur changes. That's because breathing affects how blood moves through the heart, shifting what we hear with each inhale and exhale.